Hello, everyone. Uh, Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Yes, we are back with some new content on cloud. Today, we are just exploring the new cloud with technologies. Whatever I have in mind, I will try to convince you, what are the clouds apart from the AWS are available. Basically, let's say today we just gonna explore Microsoft Cloud, not just Azure, but basically admin center of the Microsoft. So first of all, let's start. Like, uh, Let me explain you what are the services of Microsoft offers you on particular licenses, and there are many more licenses available on the Microsoft portal, like business licenses, and uh, front level licenses are available. Apart from that, there are enterprise levels of E3, E5 licenses available. The standard, premium, basic. There are many more licenses are available in Microsoft, which offers you the various accessibility and provide you a particular article by showing you what are the uses and their functionality. So yes, let's get started. And first of all, I thought we are very much well known about what are the Microsoft services Microsoft provide. There are many more services provided by the Microsoft apart from the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Power BI. Those are the most popular one. But apart from those, there are many more services provided by the Microsoft. For the security, there are different for Power BI. Power Apps, although from SharePoint, where centralized storage are going to utilize over there. Exchange Online for Outlook, Intune for the device management. Admin Center has known as a well-known tenant, where we manage users, create a user, change the particular, assign them licenses, add the domain, multi-factor authentication, then conditional access over the devices of Intune. Particular users has their own tenant devices, always the login devices, which kind of devices they may enroll. Uh, and like aliases, what are the mail forwardings we apply. So yes, we will cover those particular topic in our future upcoming videos. As a part of this video, we just gonna explain you I just gonna explain you what is the Microsoft services, what are the Microsoft services basically the Microsoft provides, and what is tenant basically, and I will give you a simple walkthrough about what is Microsoft tenant and what is the Microsoft, and tenant and admin center is one like both are similar, they are the similar. So as an admin, I will show you the admin center, how it looks, how and I will also give you overview of how do we create users, and how do we create a group of user in a admin center. And also don't worry, let's me explain you first of all the architecture of the uh, Microsoft services and what is the tenant. So let's come to our blacks. Sorry, not so black. This is a white screen basically. So yes, let me share my white screen and explain you the what is tenant Oreo. I will explain you with a simple example. Don't worry. Okay. So yes, let me stop my whole screen. Okay. Off. Yes. So yes, let me check my screen is visible. Yeah, yes. My screen is visible. So yes, okay. So okay. Imagine the circle has a world. Okay, this is whole world. World, like there are like various countries over the world. World became a world with very varieties of countries that are available here. So this is the world, and this is the simple, like this is my house. Okay, clear. There are like one one is my house although, and there is my friend's house. There are my three friends, and they have their own house. Okay, so this is my house basically. So my house, or we can say like not my house, my father's house. Okay, so I am the family member. Okay, apart from me there are two family members, and including my father, there is my mother, and one younger sister. So yes, let's give it a name, like this is my house. Okay. Oh, do not looks cool. Okay, this is my house. Uh, Hey, what happens? Oh, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, done. So this is my house, and this is whole world. Okay, so bhai. Okay, okay. This is a world, and this is my house. Okay, imagine in my house there are four members, including my father. Okay, my father is the owner of my house. Okay, so only my father decide how many users are there in a house, how many like how many devices owned by their users, how many applications there. Imagine, just imagine typical families don't just like prioritize their own devices so according to their father, but yes, just imagine my father is only applicable and only like prime minister of my house who decide like how many devices owned by the user, like a group of user, what kind of, like there are some house are there in the world, like apart from those four members there are like 10 to 15 users over the house. Okay, so yes, my father is the admin of that house. As an admin, they has their privilege to change the user's behavior, change the devices of the user behavior, apply the multi-factor authentication. It means the multi-factor security over the house. What kind of security we are going to apply, like uh, yeah, like in our house, we only apply one security gate over there, but the admin decide there are two to three security gate over to enter the house. Okay, so all kind of privilege, all kind of access is provided by the father to the whole family or family user, including house. Okay, including house. It means the whole privilege, whole uh, controlling powers over my father. Okay, so yes, this is a simple example. Like whole world has their own users, like whole world has their own houses, and whole house has their own typical one admin user, admin, like we can say admin controller. So yes, this is example, and let's me proceed with the real time use case of this example in the real time world case. Okay, so yes, let me change, and now let's see. Now we see the world has a Microsoft. Okay, okay, this is Microsoft. Whole world is a Microsoft. Imagine whole world as a Microsoft, and this is house is known as tenant. Okay, so yes, hope this is visible. Okay. Oh, I can move it. Okay. I don't think so. Let me move. Oh, okay. Take it done. Okay. So Microsoft is a service provider. Okay. Microsoft is a service provider. It only not only Microsoft provide the services to the my particular house. It also provide the security, also provide the device management system, also everything. The services, what are the services they provide? They provide to the my friend house as well. So yes, apart from the my house, the whole like there are your parents, your house is there in the whole world. Okay, is a part of that Microsoft world. So yes, look at this. Like my what is now you have a question like what is the tenant basically like, looks like, and what is the use case of that. Don't worry, I will go walk you through whole tenant. But first of all, understand the tenant is nothing but like centralized access system for the whole services of the Microsoft. Okay, so yes, tenant nothing but the, like what we can say, like as a admin, like admin, only admin has the privilege to access the tenant with their own password, with their multi-factor authentication, like Microsoft Authenticator. Although, and there are many more authenticator, like we will log in via email or personal email, like Microsoft email and all. So yes, this is all. So yes, like as a look at this as an admin, we can control the users. What kind of users are going to add in this particular house? Okay, this like there are only 4 members may be applicable on this my house. There are, according to the privilege, according to the family size and all, there are 10 users may uh, includes in my friend's house. So admin decides how many users may added to the particular house. Okay, there if there is a one member get added, so admin decide uh, does this user fit in the group. Okay, which group contains these users. So yes, those are the all services. Okay, on not only users, admin decides the uh, group of the user, also the devices of the user, like controlling the devices. Okay, devices were like there is Windows device contained by my sister, there is Mac OS device by controlled by me. So my father basically decides the security policy, what kind of security may apply on the devices itself. Okay, so yes, these are the privilege. There are many more services privilege we can we can explore it. Okay, so yes, no, now like okay, Yash, you say. Okay, Yash, I understand the basic scenario of what is the Microsoft services. Okay, okay. What are the services basically Microsoft provides, and what are the like admin? What are the privilege the admin controller have? So now, what is the main what is the main soul? Na, like everything is payable. Microsoft itself is a pay-as-you-go model. Okay, they only provide this. Okay, Azure provide pay-as-you-go model. We have to pay for the what we use over the Microsoft Azure. So yes, this is also payable, but Microsoft has their own licenses of list. Okay, Microsoft provide the licenses of list. We can purchase it over the admin tenant, and we can apply it over the particular user. Okay, so each user has their license according to their uses. Okay, let me walk you through what are the licenses provided by the Microsoft. So yes, this is a page of business licenses of Microsoft 365. So look at this scenario. This is the Indian rupees. This is in India's rupees, but there are basically on dollars itself. Okay, so yes, Microsoft like base standard license, basic license, premium license. We can purchase it and apply it over the tenant for the users. and only admin has the privilege to give the access of this. Like, suppose for example, we have 4 to 5 premium licenses in our tenant. Okay, we bought this as an admin. As an admin, I bought this for my house. For I am the admin of this house, na, like. So yes, there are 4 to 5 premium licenses, like 4 premium licenses I have, and there are more, while standard licenses are like take it as a 7. Okay, 7 standard licenses over the tenant. So as an admin, I have the privilege to uh, analyze the to analyze the usability of each user, and according to usability, I can assign the premium license to that user which use uh, fulfill the use of premium. Okay. For example, the my younger sister only want there's no such use case of premium. The wastage of the premium is going on. So why I can assign the premium license to this my younger sister, right? So if I want it as a premium, the admin center decide, like admin owner decide which user have the premium. Okay. So yes, these all the are the premium. Apart from the business license, there are enterprises license like E3 and E5. You can you can search on a web browser, like what are the licenses provided by the Microsoft, like E3, E5, F3, F1, like business standard license, office license. There are variety of license available over the Microsoft services. Okay, and each license has their privilege. Each license has their own like what kind of content inside this, for example, like E5 contain the Intune licenses, E3 has their own defender policies and all. Like there are many more, and very 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 well services provided by the Microsoft also. Okay, so yes, you can go with it, like search on the web browser what are the Microsoft licenses, and what are the Microsoft licenses provided by the Microsoft. Okay, so yes, various applications and all. So yes, this is all about what is Microsoft Tenant, what are the services provided by the Microsoft. So services, I thought I missed the services, but I can explain you the services provided by the Microsoft while I will walking you through the tenant. Okay, there are various services available there. Like admin center over there, like center hub, na. Like we can control the security, we can control the devices, we can control the mailbox, we can control the OneDrive over the. So yes, without further delay now, let's go on tenant. So you will very well known about what are the, like how's the tenant looks, and I will give you a simple walkthrough over it. Okay. So yes, now let's go. Hey, last बार भाई आजा. Okay. Okay. Yes. So yeah, okay, this is basically how tenant looks like. You can see there is a Microsoft 365 admin center. So this is our admin center basically. Admin center, how it looks. So this is our first look of Microsoft admin center. We can control. Look, here we see like this is my account. This is basically my company's account, although. So yes, I will walk you through. So yes, this first of all, home center looks like health. Like health is basically like this is our first overview. So which kind of services is healthy? What are the various advisory we can use? Advisories and all teams are healthy. YY Exchange is healthy. Like you know about the teams, like I thought you will very well known about the Teams, Microsoft Teams basically. meeting platform where, but for a particular organization and like what we say, the company on Microsoft Teams. The team is very well popular among the companies and organization, IT organization as well. So yes, Viva Exchange is there. Microsoft Forms are there. They are all healthy. The status of this health status is like healthy, and some of the bugs are there. Okay, so yes, add user reset password, add team. You can add teams, give your bill, like what are the licenses we purchased and what are the bill scenario of that. Okay, so yes, simplified view, like this is simplified view. It shows us how many users are there in the tenant. Like we can what are the teams that are there, like this is my head of technology tester team is there, like test tenant is there, like test tenant is particularly a team, or we can say group inside the tenant, like the team like group contains some members, and channel, like okay, general tip tenant, like there are particular users inside this tenant and users. Okay, so yes, this is simple home center like dashboard view. We can customize it as well, like we can customize it according to our privileges, like what are the users we I thought we will customize it. Oh yes, yes, look, customize the dashboard. We can customize it accordingly. What kind of like if we want to see like what are how many devices are there in a particular user have, we can customize it accordingly. So yes, there is one of the major uh, part of the Microsoft is well known, which is Microsoft Copilot, which is generative AI for Microsoft all services. We can ask even Microsoft Admin Center is content type Copilot has, and like like Word is also containing Excel, Inc. Every service is contained the Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so overview, agent connector, billings uses, and so you are very well known about what is a Copilot. Okay, uh, even nowadays, like not nowadays, like it's been like a year uh, to VS Code is also containing the Microsoft Copilot as well. Uh, Hope you used it, bro Carlo. So yes, there are one more section called users. There are active users. We can add users. Like okay, so there are some users are there available. Like there are users, okay, and we can add user, use templates. Okay, we can add multiple users over the one tenant. For that we need the CSV file. Okay, so CSV file basically a list of username according to their domain, and we can upload it, and it may create a users for this for our in on bulk. So sometimes we need to add a users in bulk of order, like basically there's cases happen in, when someone tries to migrate from a GCP or Yahoo to Microsoft services or tenant itself. So sometimes there are also privileges and multi-factor authentication is there. Like if we need to authenticate first of all, like a system 4 is going need to be authenticated while it is logging on someone devices on like for example the user assistant one needs to log in a with their Windows machine. So is this a particular user? So for that we can apply a multi-factor authenticator to the assistant 4, assistant 1 as well. We can delete user, we can delete it. Okay, so there are very many user. This is admin center. Basically admin center contains user groups, and there are many more privileges. So yes, let's see the all availability and functionality over the services for the user we can enroll. This is basically a you can say email ID of that particular user by which the user is going to log in. Okay, so this is one of them. Sign out, like users and group. For example, the assist admin 001 is a part of a particular like test tenant group. So yes, it will be visible here. roles and responsibilities. Roles are basically what are this? Like you, I thought as my subscriber, you are very well, like very well understandable about what is identity access management. So I'm role basically in AWS. So yes, we can create what are the roles? Basically, we can create uh, user which has least privilege of access over the old AWS console as well. Okay, so yes, there is a such like that roles we can create. Like admin 001 has only Teams administrator access, Access administrator access, SharePoint administrator, and four more although. So there are some list of privileges, or we can say list privileges access of this user. Okay, so yes, there is on. We can add contact information of the particular user. As the admin center, we are well known about the user as well. So admin owner. Okay. So yes, basically the company owns the such type of architecture. Okay. So this is one of the part of the cloud. We are only known about as what is Azure. Although I also not have that idea what are the Microsoft services provided by the what is the tenant, what are the admin center. Recently, I go got some helpful information apart from that and I explored it. So yes, there are we can add like first name, admin name, phone number also, microservices activation and all. So yes, we can reset the password of this admin user. We can I will make like a separate video on that how we create a user, how we delete a user, how we create, how we assign licenses and all like how we add domain. So yes, we can go with it. So yes, devices. So I thought like there are no devices. Okay, so no one is going to log in with this username device. So yes, it lists basically devices of that on which devices the admin 001 is going is logged in. So for example, Windows device logged in with admin 001 with the premium license. So yes, this is also one of the part. Oh, and like this is a license and app. So admin 001, for example, like I thought it has a like premium license. Let's look at this. Yes, we can assign it is not it assigned like we sorry our organization has 25 premium licenses apart from 25 12 are assigned to the some particular user. I can assign it from here and save the change. Okay, or we can assign the license while we creating our user. Okay, so this mailbox when we apply the license to the particular user, for example premium license for the admin 001 user. So mailbox size they provide is like 15 GB. So Outlook size it will like 15 GB. One and OneDrive storage it looks it's shown whenever premium license is assigned. So the OneDrive storage it gives like 1 TB of OneDrive storage. So yes, this is all the walkthrough of a user over there. Okay. So here are some contacts. We can add some contacts over there. So we can like read it here. Contacts are the people outside your organization that would like everyone to be able to find anywhere. Listen, here can be found in Outlook, the people of Microsoft 365. Okay. So yes, we can add the contacts. Those are not a part of our organization. These are only like everyone are able to find all the so. There are some we can add some guest users. Always guest users have access to Teams, so we can add the guest user as well. And here are some if we delete some users, so there's users are available here. So we can permanently delete it from Intune as well, but they are just listed here. So one of the tab is like devices, active devices are listed here. Like some, for example, the I thought the okay. While I was texting like Depender test, so there are I logged in with some Windows laptop. So there are some list down the devices enrollment of the particular user. So autopilot we known as not sure what we can go with the article what are the start guide is there. So upload CSV file of the list of devices. Autopilot automatically generates a list of devices actually. So teams and groups, we can create a active team under active teams and group. We can create a group. So for example, we create a team. So at the member stage, we can add the members. Like suppose assistant one, I want to add. So assistant for assistant one, we can add it and give it name with a certain group of name, and it may visible here. So for example, like test tenant has some members. I thought I added some members here. So yes, assistant firm is a member of the disciplinary group. My so okay. So policies are there. There are some policies we can assign to the user groups and teams as well. Deleted groups are shared mailbox are there. We may uh, walk through what we how we create a shared mailbox and all of future videos. Billing basically contains the license purchase services. Like we recommend you to work with a solution of provider purchase Microsoft services. They just suggest you to purchase some Microsoft services. Okay, our products. So your products are there, visible there. Which our organization has there some products and all. Licenses there are if there are licenses added to your tenant like my tenant content like 25 so premium licenses as well. So listed list on premium licenses visible there. So bills and payments, billing access and a payment. Those are the not our part. So yes, setup is all browser Microsoft 365 solution setup is all. So all is the main part of this admin center. So security basically known as a defender. The security which we apply, we can go to the defender by just clicking security. So yes, then I click security over there. So it may divert me toward the defender portal, which is basically well known for the security. So we can assign security to the trade like this is a very different course. I just not explored it. So yes, whenever I explode, I will make a separate video on that. Okay. So yes, this is security. The Intune is basically like device management system. So we can add device policies to the device. What type of, for example, while login, there are some certain policies we can apply over the Intune. Like while the particular user is trying to log in a Microsoft, sorry, Windows laptop with a certain email ID and their password. So we can apply the condition like the laptop must contain firewall, must contain antivirus so and many more like uh, security features over Intune we can apply over the device. Basically, Intune is for devices only. So identity basically Azure AD. So working direct Active Directories are listed there. So this is nothing but the Azure at itself. So yes, Exchange is basically for Outlook, like mailbox, and SharePoint is just like a central database for the organization and users of this simple organization. So yes, SharePoint is for that. Teams is basically a Teams application over there. We can apply the security policies like if the certain user device only access not able to access the cameras over the device so over the Teams device. So yes, we can able to plus a certain condition. So yes, customization navigation we can customize the navigation over there. We can add it over there. Show pins. We can show the pins and also something. There are many more. So yes, this is all about the admin center, and this is a whole walkthrough of the admin center. What are the users and all. So that's it for the video, and hope this video got you clear what is the admin center, what are the services provided by the Microsoft apart from the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many more. So yes, there are many more services provided by the Microsoft. Like if we show, like I will try to log in via in my Office 365. So yes, I will show you the services. Okay. Office 365 login. So it will be login. Okay. Yes, this is logged in. I thought okay, this is admin center, but I thought the admin center doesn't have access of certain apps. So I thought yes, the yes. So these are the application to services provided by the like Microsoft, like Copilot, Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, SharePoint, Clipchamp, basically for editing. Teams is for meeting organization, OneDrive for the storage, and there are many more like learning, connection, calendar, forms basically for filling the creating the forms over like Google Sheets and all. Insights are basically improve your productivity and being a Microsoft via insights. In list we can place loop. We can OneNote is one of the famous. We can create OneNotes over a Microsoft OneNote. So yes, Power Automated, Power Pages, projects. We many more organization as like many more organization are going to use projects. So yes, this is to-do list, Swappy, whiteboard, and those are some applications. Some services provided by the Microsoft for the frontline service, frontings, like for frontline services, although we are well known about those. So, and backend, at the backend, the device management and all services like for the Intune and all. Like, these are the some background services and management services provided by the Microsoft over the admin center. So yes, that's it for the video, and hope you like the video, and let me know like what are the services and you wanna explore for next video. So I will try to learn. Yes, although you know that I will learn first, then explain it over the my video. So these are the some learning of my last 2 weeks. So this I explored some services, but I have to explore it on a deeper way. So let me know in a comment section that which service first you want to explore with me. So yes, that's it for the video, and um, make sure to subscribe, and bye bye.